Hi, I'm Chris from Birth Matters. It has been my life's journey to improve birth, but I need your help. I am a birth doula trainer through DONA International, and research tells us that having a doula by someone's side greatly increases their likelihood of having a successful vaginal birth with very little, if any, interventions, thus leading to less trauma. Sadly, in the United States, we rank number 1 in maternal as well as fetal mortality and morbidity of all developed nations. And unfortunately, those numbers have actually doubled in the last 20 years. Black and Indigenous families die at 3 to 4 times the rate of their Caucasian counterparts. Birth Matters is determined to be part of the solution. That's where you come in. Getting trained as a doula could greatly impact these numbers and have an enormous impact in your community. In fact, if you belong to a marginalized community, I offer a $100 discount. I train virtually, so you can attend virtually from anywhere on the planet. Check out our upcoming dates, and if this speaks to your heart, come and join us on this important mission. I look forward to seeing you in a classroom soon.